Welcome to Contabo. My name is Sabina and I work with Contabo. We deliver professional, German-engineered servers at super fair prices. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of installing and connecting to your Contabo server. Whether you're a beginner or advanced user, you'll see for yourself why Contabo is the top choice for powerful, cost-effective hosting solutions. Let's start installing your Contabo server. One important note: make sure to save or backup all your data beforehand, because any new installation will cause a complete data loss on your server. To start, log into the customer control panel. Once you receive your Contabo credentials via email, you can proceed and log in to access your server dashboard on mycontabo.com. Then navigate to your services and then select your respective VPS or VDS package from the list and click Manage. Now, select Reinstall for the server you want to install. Then choose your desired operating system. For most users, the standard image is ideal. If you've ordered a custom image add-on, upload your image under Custom Image. And for advanced setups, use the optional Cloud Init templates to pre-configure webmin, LAMP or Docker installations. Finally, set your credentials. For Linux and Windows servers, set a password and save it securely. And just like that, your server is ready to be customized. Before connecting to your server, you'll need two things. First, an IP address which can be found in the customer control panel under VPS or VDS control, where you choose your package. Connecting to your Contabo server is easy. Here is how to do based on your local computer and server setup. Here are some examples. For Windows to Windows Server, open Remote Desktop Connection. Enter your server's IP address and credentials and potentially port. Finally, enable Remote Desktop in case you are using Windows 11. When it comes to Linux to Windows Server, install an RDP client like rdesktop and enter the following command. Then, follow the same steps as with Windows to Windows. Mac operating system to Windows Server essentially looks a lot like Windows to Windows. Here download the Microsoft Remote Desktop app from the App Store and enter your credentials and server IP to connect. If it is Linux to Linux Server, open a terminal and use SSH. And accept the server's SSH certificate on first connection. Finally, Windows to Linux Server. Install PuTTY from the Microsoft Store or via download. With Contabo, you're not just getting a server, you're investing. Thank you for choosing Contabo. Ready to set up your own server? Visit contabo.com to get started today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more helpful tutorials.